about what is going to be the next chapter in your money area. Yes, you know, money area is something that is troubling, that is concerning, and yeah, even exciting, motivating. You will actually get motivated if you have enough amount of money flowing into your life. So which is why this video is going to be like a motivation. If it is showing that you will have a lot of money, or if it is showing that you will have challenges, it's also going to give you guidance as how you are supposed to take in yes, all the challenges. Okay, so yes, so this is going to be like a video that's going to be timeless video. And in this video there are going to be certain things that will resonate with you, there are going to be certain things that will not resonate with you. Yes, this is because this is a general reading, right? If you just were wandering around and this video popped up on your timeline and you opened and started watching it, then this is the correct place that you are supposed to watch this video. Okay, so yes, so be prepared that there could be certain things that will not resonate with you, certain things that will resonate with you. Okay, whatever resonates you have to keep it, whatever does not resonate, just let it go. Okay, that being said, let me tell you something about myself. I am Preeti. I have been doing tarot since past 19 plus years, and in these 19 years, yes, I have reached more than 50,000 plus people through my tarot readings. And yes, so this is how you know that you are in right hands. Okay, so yes, now let's get started. So I'm just going to shuffle the cards, and you just have to pray with me. Okay, just pray to your God, whichever God you believe in. Ask your God to give you the correct guidance through this video. Okay, so what is going to be the financial future? What is going to be the next chapter in your financial life? Okay, we are going to see that. What is going to be the next chapter in the financial life of my viewers? What is going to be the next chapter in the financial life of my viewers? Next chapter in the financial life of my viewers. Dear God, Spirit guides, please share what is going to be the next chapter in the financial life of my viewers. Okay. So, next chapter in financial life for my viewers. Next chapter. Chapter in the financial life for my viewers. Okay, this card, we just need to put it aside. Okay, and yes, this is the first card that popped up. Okay, so next chapter, and this is actually showing a change. This is showing a drastic change. So this is actually going to be like whatever your financial thing is going on, if your finances were going too well, that is going to change. Okay, I don't like saying that, but yes, that is going to change. It could be that your finance, yes, the graph of your financial future was this, and it changes to be this. Okay, to be like really high. It could change to be even low. Okay, I don't like saying that, but yes, that could be that. Also, if your financial life was not going good, if your finances were not going good, then this actually shows a good change, a happy change is just coming up. Okay, so yes, this is like a good motivating card for you. So I did show you 3 different scenarios that what this change could mean, right? In 2 cases it showed that it's going to be like really good change, and in 1 case it showed that your finances are not going to turn out well, right? So you'll understand which part of the reading is for you. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we have, okay, so there is something for your finances. You are actually investing somewhere. You had your money coming from one area, or it was coming from one source, and all of a sudden that source of income could be broken, or that adjustment of that money saving could be broken, and this would be tragic to experience. Okay, you will not find this like a nice welcoming experience. You will find this as a tragic experience. But see, as I said, all yes, before there is good creation, there has to be some destruction. Okay, so this is what you can expect, right? The next thing is, yes, you are going to move somewhere, you are going to move some place, and that moving is actually going to help you for your finances, for your financial life. Okay, the next card we have here is, okay, so there is going to be a lot of abundance in your life. This abundance could be where you are, yes, you know, whatever the basic things, okay, the basic necessities of your life, whatever you need to manage your life with, your life is going to be well managed, and yes, that is the abundance you have to start from. Okay, yes, let me tell you a little bit about that. Abundance is something that whatever resources, whatever materials, whatever things you need on a day-to-day basis, all of those things you will have in abundance. That being said, also even emotionally, like a lot of emotionally satisfying moments, happiness and all good emotions, those are all the things that you will actually be experiencing on a day-to-day basis. That is what you can experience, that is coming as a change, that is coming as a shift in your life. So a lot of people, they just feel that abundance is just money, abundance is just attracting a lot of money. Okay, so first of all, yes, you have to focus on basic necessities, basic emotional satisfaction. These are the two things you have to focus on. Yes, basically also try to focus on emotional satisfaction based on your family life. Okay, so once that is done, you can actually expect that a lot of abundance is going to gush into your life, is going to rush into your life through yes, through your career, through your financial sources. But yes, and that also is going to come after a lot of hard work. Okay, I don't want you to believe this, that without hard work any abundance is going to flow. Okay, yes, abundance does not flow without hard work. If you see people like Elon Musk, if you see people like Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, these are the people that have worked so hard in their young age. They have been consistently doing it, that now at the point where they are actually having a lot of money in their life, and everybody feels that they're just minting money while sitting without doing anything. That's not real, right? You know how Facebook has advanced in the past 10 years, past 15 years, right? So yes, so now let's see. Okay, there's also a piece of warning here, that you have to make sure that you are saving, you are holding on to the money that you have. Okay, yes, the cards do show that there is going to be incoming money, but you have to make sure that you are super careful in using all the money that you have. So yes, there is nothing like that there is going to be infinite abundance flowing in, such that you can keep on spending as much as you want. There is nothing like that. I know that people who practice law of attraction, people who practice like, yes, goal setting and visualization, anybody who does that, they will actually find my statement here about saving a lot of money, they are not going to find that motivating enough. They are going to find that, oh, no, that's just a limiting belief. But fine, don't believe that, right? Don't believe what I'm saying, but you have to see what you are experiencing. A lot of people who follow law of attraction, most of them, they are just in a dreamlike state. They just want to dream that there is infinite amount of money coming in, that it's just going to keep on multiplying. You won't be able to count, that is how much money you want to have. So I have seen people doing that. I have done that, in my like 10 to 15 years back, when law of attraction was like really popular. I have done all of that in that time as well. Okay, next thing is, yes, make your expenses to the minimum. Make your expenses to the minimum. Make sure that you don't spend any money at all if possible. Okay, and don't try to get into a luxurious lifestyle. Don't try to get into a luxurious lifestyle until you reach a certain amount of, yes, a rich lifestyle. Okay, so make sure you don't do that. This card actually shows, yeah, this shows the strictness, this shows the steadfastness you will have to have while handling money. Money is like I think saving money, how to handle your finances, you have to learn from the rich. And if you are not connecting with what I'm saying, then you can actually watch the documentary that is on minimalism. Okay, it is an amazing documentary, and it is just going to get you're just going to get hooked to it once you start watching it. It could sound a little bit pushy when I'm telling you that you have to watch that, but that is going to be life changing for you. Okay, so and this card is, yes, uh, okay, so this is the card. It says, okay, so there are going to be two different things. Okay, in maybe in money, how to save money, how to spend money, how to invest money, how to earn money. There could be two different ways of doing everything, and yes, this could lead to confusion. But make sure that you don't take any decision just based on confusion. You have to try to think intuitively and see what exactly your intuition, your instinct is telling you. This card is about, okay, so this card is about, you will have to, about money. Maybe you have people who advise you about money. You have people, you have maybe somebody from your family, somebody in your colleagues. They are actually telling you what to do, what not to do, especially when it comes to your money, when it comes to your financial area. And you will have to listen to them. Okay, maybe the person who is your accountant, who is helping you to manage your finances, who is helping you to manage your taxes, that person has some advice to give to you, and you will have to strictly follow it. Yes, by all means you'll have to follow it. This card is actually saying that you are, yes, yeah, this is actually a little bit complicated way to say it, because when money starts flowing in, right, as I said, there's going to be a change. And if it is a positive change, like you start earning money a lot, right, your graph starts steadily moving up. At that time, it's a very natural tendency to go and give a party to people that matter to you, right, that are close to you. But make sure that it's less people, right, because there are so many people around who just want to have a free party, right? But yes, make sure that you don't let a lot of people take advantage of you. Okay, so that is what was the advice for you. Now let's see what you are supposed to do. Okay, so yes, what you are supposed to do about finances, I did tell you. And now this is some divine advice. Now these are Lord Ganesha cards. Okay, so these cards are going to tell you how exactly you can deal with your money. Okay, so we have this card. First we have the drive, and then we have the reflection. So first of all, yes, the amount of money, amount of drive that you have for attracting money, not just attracting money, mentally, you'll have to work on it. Okay, right, how much work you are doing. Drive means you are actually putting into action how much you want to earn. So how much action you take to earn money, that is how much money you're going to attract. That is how much money you're going to receive in your life. And this card is for reflection. Okay, so yes, once you receive the money, once you have all the money with you, you actually have to do some reflection. You actually have to do, yes, just try to see what exactly are your needs, what exactly are your wants. Sometimes people are so highly confused between needs and wants that they don't actually know what to do. Okay, so which is why sometimes you could be confused and you could be putting your money in the wrong direction. So yes, so that is being that. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope that this video helps you, and if you have liked this video, hit the like button. Try to share this video with others. I will see you again in my next video. Do stay subscribed to my channel. And before we end this video, I would like to invite you to join my tarot classes, because yes, tarot is something that can give you so much to learn about yourself. It's like a self-discovery tool. You can give guidance for yourself and to others around you. And Yes, that is how tarot can help you. So yeah, so that is it. And okay, and if you feel you have additional questions after watching this video, by all means you can ask these questions. Yes, but for that you will have to first book a consultation and then get a reading with me. Okay, that being said, the next thing I would like to share with you is about my numerology report. This report is mind-blowingly helpful and useful. If you get this, it's going to be like valuable for coming many years. So make sure that you get this reading numerology report. It's like a nicely detailed report, and it's like priced at a very low price, because I just want that you benefit. I just want that you be on the right path and do everything that is needed for yourself. Okay, so yes, so that is it for today's video. Until next time, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.